Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. So when I've come home from work or when I've been out with friends, when I wear like a full whack of makeup, I just like to take my makeup off and give myself a good pamper, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite skincare products that I have been using so far. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see my favorite skincare products of what I like to use to unwind, take my makeup off, just keep watching. So the first thing I like to do, guys, is obviously take my makeup off, and what I love to use to take my makeup off is this. So this is one of those makeup eraser cloths, you know, very similar to the face halos that have been all over the internet. Well, it's very similar to this, but the writing's completely gone, but I believe this one is, oh yeah, it's still there slightly. This one was from Makeup Revolution. I don't know if they still make this. I have no idea if they still sell it, but I know so many other brands do a face makeup remover in general. If you see the face halos around, definitely try those because the face halos are amazing. They are really good to take your makeup off without any makeup remover, and this pretty much works exactly the same way. So I'm just going to take my falsies off and use this to remove my makeup, and I'll come back and show you the rest of my skincare. Alright guys, so I've just come out of the bath, so all my makeup is completely gone, well, except for around my eyes. And what I love to use in the bathroom is I like to use these three products with it. So I like to use this one. So this one here is from Superdrug, and it's their Natural Radiance Brightening Micro Polish. So this is from their Naturally Radiance range. Now, unfortunately, this product is discontinuing, which is such a shame because I love this product. It is so exfoliating. I like to use this with it as well. So this is one of those exfoliating and cleansing brushes. So I like to use this. I put this on my face and then I use this buffer to buff the exfoliator in, and it's just like a double exfoliant, and it really helps to smoothen out my face, brighten up my face. These two do just make a great pair, so I love the pair of these two together. And also I like to also use these two afterwards. So we have first, so I use this one first. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Foaming Cleanser, and literally all I use is one pump of this and it cleans my skin, and it just feels so soft on the skin as well. So I love to use this. And then afterwards I like to use this with the brush end, so not the exfoliating end but the brush end. So this one is the Simple Moisturizing Face Wash, and this just makes my skin feel really hydrated. You know, you get one of those cleansers that just makes your skin feel really squeaky clean. I really don't like those. They make my skin feel really hard. I find products like that actually make my skin break out even worse. When my face feels squeaky clean, it's like taking a bar of soap and sticking it on your face. I don't like that feeling. But I like to use it with this because this helps to distribute the product, so it helps to spread all over my face, and it helps to make it nice and foamy, nice and soft, and it makes my skin feel really, really cleansed. So these are the three I love to use in the bathroom. So I love these. So when I get out of the bath, I always find that my skin, just bringing my mirror closer, because I feel like my skin gets really chapped and quite dry. So I like to use these two together. This one is the NYX This Is Everything Lip Scrub, and yeah, so this is pretty much just a lip scrub. So that's what it looks like inside. Smells really nice, smells like sweets. So I just get this with my finger, and I just like to apply this on my lips because I get so much dead dry skin on my lips. I just like something that exfoliates my lips and just gets rid of the dry skin. So then after I've exfoliated my lips, I just want to make sure any residue makeup is taken off. So I just grab a cotton pad and I grab this, which is an old goodie which everyone loves. This is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So I just like to grab this on a cotton pad And I literally just like to rub my face just to make sure any residue dirt is taken off, and also helps to get rid of the makeup that's under my eyes and on my lashes, because sometimes I do get residue mascara as well. I'm just making sure that's gone. And also what I do is I like to flip the other end, so use the other end just to take the scrub off, because I'll be left with that grittiness on my lips. So once I feel like the makeup has all been taken off around my eyes, I literally just grab a lip balm. So this one is the NYX This Is Everything Loving Lip Balm. So yeah, they pretty much make a nice little pair there. So just going to open the lip balm. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm just going to take that. Just going to take my lip balm. It's got a nice little pink tint to it. And I just like to apply this on my lips. So I've just put my hair back because I'm going to be now adding a face mask. So I'm going to be using these face masks right here. So this one is called the Charcoal and Bamboo Self-Heating Mask. And there's 4 sachets in this. Personally, I like to use face masks only once because I find they over-irritate my skin if I keep using them too much. So I'm just going to open the sachet. Now, I'm not too sure how messy it's going to get, but we'll see. So I'm just going to open this. It smells really, really good. I like to use like the Superdragon brand ones. Those ones are really, really good. But I do love the T-gel ones, especially I love their peel-off ones as well, the peel-off masks, especially their holographic one. Now that one is really, really good. So I'm just going to lever this on the face. Just going to start massaging this on the face. My hands are slightly wet. Ooh. Oh my gosh, yes. It actually feels like you're in a spa. Oh my god. I'm just going to keep massaging this in my face for a minute. And then I'm going to go to the bathroom and just rinse this off. I love using those face masks from T-Zone. It felt so nice. That self-heating one felt amazing. So I massaged it for about a minute like it said, and it really did unclog my pores, and it's made my skin feel really, really nice. So I really like these face masks, and I definitely would recommend their peel-off ones as well, because their peel-off ones are really, really good. So now I'm just going to add some eye patches under my eye because they're looking a little bit dark and dehydrated. So this one is also from Simple. I'm going to be using the Simple Brightening Under Eye Hydrogel Mask. So these are what you apply under the eyes, so they help to brighten as well as hydrate under your eyes. So I'm just going to take these out of the little sachet. I was going to say it doesn't have a smell, but then I've realised Simple doesn't have any scents in their products. So, ooh. So that's the little gel there. So I'm going to pop that under the... Oh, that is so cooling. I always find the best way to apply these is to pop them in your fridge. I know it sounds silly to say. I know it sounds ridiculous, but because with gel eye patches, they work the best when you put them in the fridge because they give a cooling sensation under the eyes, which helps to depuff as well as help with wrinkles under the eyes. So I'm going to apply this one. Oh my gosh, this feels so cooling. So I'm going to leave these on for 10 minutes and I'll come back with my night cream routine. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes now, so I'm going to take these off. Oh, wow. Look how dewy my under eyes look now. Oof. These are so nice. It's a shame you can only use these once, but never mind. They are really, really lovely. So, I like to boost my under eyes a little bit. I like to use a bit of this. So this here is the Simple Kind to Eyes Revitalizing Eye Roll-On. And it has a little metal tip at the end, so that way it cools under your eyes. So I like to roll this under my eyes as well. So it just gives my under eyes a bit of a boost. Oh, it's so nice as well. I like to put this in the fridge so it makes it a lot more cooler. So I'm going to just blend this under my eyes. Okay, so that is the eyes done. So the last thing I like to do to wrap it up is I like to use a bit of night cream. This is the Natural Radiance Renewing Night Cream. So this is just a nice, it's just a nice thick cream just to put on before you go to bed. So I like to take some of this. As you can see, I've used this so much. I'm on the last bit. And I like to mix it in with a bit of this. So I got this sample sent to me a while back and I've loved it. I've used so much of it that look, it's barely made a dent in it. It's so small. I've just made a tiny dent in it. But this is by Guerlain and this is their Youth Watery Oil. And this helps to replump, smoothens and illuminate. So I find that, I'm just going to apply my cream to my face. I find that this isn't the most hydrating oil I've used, but it's perfect for nighttime. It's just perfect for that. It really is, because I find it goes great. Sometimes I mix it in with my foundation, or sometimes like I said, I like to mix this in with my night cream, and it's just perfect for that. It's perfect for nighttime. It does what it says. It smoothens the skin, definitely plumps the skin, but it's not too hydrating, but it's just about right. I'm just going to mix it together. I just like to drop this everywhere. Just going to mix these two together. And that's it, guys. That is my skincare routine. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So with my day routine, all I do is I put on the day cream version of this, and then I apply my Elizabeth Arden Radiant Drops. I'll insert a picture on the screen here. So I have a sample of those drops and they're really nice. They are very intense hydrating drops. That's what I use for my day, and also I use this roll-on as well just for under my eyes, and that's it. That's what I use for my day routine. I really hope you guys have enjoyed my skincare routine. So this little unwinding with me of what I use once I've taken my makeup off and my favourite skincare products. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.